Welcome at Gleefa Craft. Hello friends. Today we learn how to draw cartoon girl using easy steps. Let's get started. Draw a circle to make head. Now draw two curved lines to make hair. Draw simple ears as shown. Draw a shape as shown to make girl's upper dress. Then draw neck as shown. Draw two curved lines as shown. Then draw zigzag line to complete the bottom dress. Draw some small lines as shown. Draw two small circles to make eyes. Draw curved lines to make mouth as shown. Then draw a simple nose. Now draw two lines to make left arm and then fingers. Draw two lines to make right arm and then fingers. Draw legs as shown. At the end draw simple shoes as shown. Color it as per your choice. Wow! Your cute girl is ready. Please like, share and subscribe our channel.